Have you ever heard that the human body has a magical self-repairing function? This function gets rid of the stimulation of exotic drugs and achieves the purpose of natural rehabilitation through self-diagnosis, self-regulation and self-repair of human body, which is called self-healing power of human body. Self-healing power is everyone's innate ability. Unfortunately, most people living in modern civilization have long been accustomed to taking injections and medicines to resist diseases, but neglect their own strength, resulting in worse self-healing power. In order to strengthen and activate the self-healing power of human body, the most fundamental way is to strengthen and activate cells. It is because of cells are the most basic units of organisms. In the 1980s, American scientists have discovered a form of radiation that same vibrational frequency as normal cells, terahertz magnetic wave. Its radiation is only 1/40th of sunlight, so it is very safe for human body. Because it can activate normal cells, repair damaged cells and free radicals, it is also called light of life. After nearly 30 years of development, terahertz magnetic wave technology has been widely used in astronomy, radar, medical imaging and other fields. In 2014, China broke through the technological monopoly of Europe and the United States, and successfully developed the first terahertz security inspection instrument, which became the best example to prove that terahertz magnetic waves are harmless to human body. This laid the foundation for scientists to use terahertz magnetic waves in biophysiotherapy. In 2016, the cell physiotherapy instrument patented by China officially entered the market. It fully stimulates the activity of terahertz wave, which can penetrate into the human body for 20 to 30 cm. It activates good cells, repair and kill bad cells and free radicals, thus activating the self-healing power of the human body, and making sub-health problems disappear invisibly. Itera Terahertz cell physiotherapy instrument is mainly composed of special laser transmitter, which can be applied to various parts of human body, with simple operation and excellent efficacy. In addition to being very safe for human body, Itera Terahertz cell physiotherapy instrument is very smart, just like being able to check out contraband hidden in every corner during security check. When used in physical therapy, terahertz magnetic wave can actively find and eliminate sub-health problems hidden in the body. Terahertz magnetic waves can protect good cells, kill the free radicals and bad cells. Therefore, since it was launched in the market, iNetwork International has been expanded to more than 10 countries in a short time. The Itera cell physiotherapy instrument has won numerous praises. Its effect is immediate, proven with facts, and thousands of witnesses can be seen every day. We believe that the best doctor is the self-healing power of human body. Using Itera Terahertz cell physiotherapy instrument to activate normal cells, repair damaged cells and eliminate free radicals, will fundamentally help people solve sub-health problems. With the further promotion of products, more people will benefit from it.